Alright, what's going on? What's going on, everyone? I want to do a video to show you guys about the new feature the Conversion Pros has just created. It's called a Contact Manager. Okay, how it works is as soon as someone enters their information to your capture page, you're going to immediately get a notification that gives you the opportunity to follow up with them by text, email, or by calling them. And this is how it works. I'm going to make this video as quick as possible. Alright, check this out. This is my myecon capture page. Learn the secrets of the wealthy. We help people to increase their credit score, and we show people how to make money, save money, and get out of debt. Watch our presentation and take the first step to financial success. Has a picture of me, which is branding myself. Okay, and this is going to allow you to make an initial connection before you even say anything about your business. This is very important. Branding is very important, and Conversion Pros allows you to brand yourself with the tools that they have that's going to help you to build trust. Branding builds trust. Okay, so I put this information in, so it says I'm gonna hit show me the money. We're gonna try this again. Alright, show me the money. Boom. Alright, this is my thank you page. Thanks for opting in. I will be in touch real soon. It has my phone number if they want to connect me by phone. It has a quote, picture of me. Contact me on social media. Buttons are below. You want to make sure that you have all the information. You want to have as much information as possible so that your contact can reach out to you. It has my Twitter page, Facebook, Google Plus, Instagram, and YouTube. Hit Twitter. It's going to take them to my Twitter page, and so on and so on. All right. Now, this is how the contact app works. It says you have a new contact. So as soon as someone put their information in, you're going to immediately get this pop-up on your phone. Click on that, and it's going to bring up the information. It has their number, their email. I can call them from this app. I can text them or email them. You can add notes. Just say, like, if you talk to the person and they say that they haven't watched the presentation yet, or they're going to watch it, you want to put the time in here. Put the notes in. You want to gauge their interest level. It says warm, hot, cold. All right, put that in, and it has, just say like if you're marketing multiple opportunities, it has which capture page. It says Money Magnet. That's the one that I just showed you, and it shows when the contact was created. So this is a great tool to make sure that you follow up with your prospects in real time. You want to catch people while their interest is very high, when their interest level is high. You just send them a friendly thank you text, or you can give them about 20 minutes. You can call them, give them about 20 minutes and just call them up and just introduce who you are and just build a connection, build a relationship. That's what it's all about. Marketing is all about building relationships and just branding yourself and showing people that you're a real, genuine person. Here's my view presentation information. It's a professional presentation about myecon, what it's about, testimonials, and if they decide to sign up, they'll sign up. If not, by me having their contact information and their email information, they're going to be receiving emails from me for about 30 days, or for however long that they're in the system. So Conversion Pros is a tool that everyone needs. It's important to get your contacts information so you can follow up with them, because most people don't really sign up on the initial viewing of your opportunity. So it's good to have follow-ups in place. You're going to have an automated system that's going to do all the selling telling for you. All right, it makes your job that much more easier. Okay, so if you want more information about Conversion Pros, reach out to me. I'll help you. I'll help you get set up whatever business you're in. If you're in myecon, I already have capture page funnels and autoresponders already lined up for you to use. All you have to do is just plug in and put your information in, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.